Greetings! In this quick video, I want to help you troubleshoot a digital HD radio that no longer powers on. And this is a pretty common problem sometimes with these digital radios. And I want to show you how to fix it. Now, it doesn't matter what brand you have. You might have an Insignia like this one. You might have a Sony. You might have a Bose. You might have a Lenovo. Again, it doesn't matter. I want to help you fix the issue. So the first thing I want you to do is check your power source. Do you have it plugged into a wall, or are you using batteries? If it's plugged into the wall, make sure that the power wall outlet is not tripped up. Try a different device on it, like a hair dryer or a phone or whatever. If it doesn't work, then you know the issue is not with the radio, but it could just be a tripped up power outlet, and then just go to your home and untrip it, or try a different outlet. All right, next thing I want you to do is, with the power cord, make sure, if you have batteries, the option of batteries, let's say you use AAA or AA, and you're not sure, it could be the power outlet or the power adapter that's broken itself. Try to put in batteries in it, whether it's AA or AAA, and if it works, then you know the issue is not with your radio, but with the adapter. And if it is with the adapter, you can get a new adapter. Just find the model number. It's usually on the very back. Type it into eBay, and you should usually be able to buy one for about 10 bucks. Just type in that adapter, make sure it looks like yours, okay? And that should fix the issue. Now, vice versa, if it's a battery powered one and you have the option of getting a power adapter, see if you can buy a power adapter or locate it, plug it in, take the batteries out, and see if it'll work with the power adapter. All right, next, after you've tried that, what I want you to do is, of course, it's not powering on, but what I want you to do is unplug it from the wall. If it has been unplugged or plugged up, unplug it, keep it unplugged for about 15 minutes, plug it back in, see if it works. That's a soft reset. Next thing I want you to do is unplug it if that doesn't work, and hold down the power button and don't let go. Hold down the power button. This one's actually located here on this Insignia, and don't let go for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Hold it down. That will do a full factory reset on a lot of digital radios. Let go, plug it back in, and see if that works. If that doesn't work, for example, this Insignia you can unplug it, hold down the power button and the memory. There's a memory button right here. You hold those two down for about 30 seconds to a minute. You don't let go, and then let go, and then plug it back in, see if that works. Some combinations of radios is the power button and the volume down button. Some combinations has a menu button. You hold down the power button and the menu button and see if that will work. A lot of times that will work with a lot of them, and see if that will work. One thing you can do, sometimes the power button might be tripped up a little bit. Get the palm of your hand, and what I want you to do while it's unplugged is go back and forth like this with the palm of your hand. Plug it back in and see if that will work. So I'm pretty confident one of these issues will work. If they don't, most likely your radio is fried and you might need to get a new radio. But I think one of these options will work. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.